Get up to 75% more power with this high-performance motor of our V20 cordless brushless reciprocating saw. The variable speed trigger provides optimal control while the tool-free blade release makes for quick and effortless blade changes. A contoured over molded handle and compact design allow the user to make cuts in tight places with minimal user fatigue. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Brushless motor. The cordless reciprocating saw has up to 75% more power. Number 2. 2-speed control, low 0 to 23.0, high 0 to 32.0 SPM. Number 3. Variable speed trigger for added control. Number 4. Tool-free blade release, fast and convenient blade changes. Number 5. LED light illuminates workspace. Number 6. V20 system compatible. Part of the V20 cordless power tool and outdoor equipment system, giving you the power to do it all. Build, repair, restore, maintain. Number 7. Battery and charger sold separately, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can the wood blade that comes with it be used for trimming bushes, or do you need a pruning blade? Answer: yes. You can use this for trimming and pruning. Question number 2. Is the battery interchangeable with the V20 jigsaw and drill? Answer: yes, the CRAFTSMAN V20 battery will fit and power any CRAFTSMAN V20 tool. Question number 3. Does it come with longer blades? Answer: this comes with one of the 6 inches reciprocating blade. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.